Customer states there's a burning smell coming from under their vehicle. That's because their DPF filter got excessively hot and, well, it kind of just started melting everything within its wrath. So, right there is a catalytic converter. This is your DPF. This clogged, so exhaust pressure had nowhere to go but blowing out of the exhaust pressure sensor, which melted and caught everything on fire. Oh yeah, always saving the environment. Government and EPA regulations to the rescue. It doesn't happen too often, but I have seen it happen quite a few times on Chevy Duramaxes, GMCs, and now I've seen it on this Ford. But I mean, if your DPF clogs up and you're still driving and you don't know what's going on, guess what? The heat's got to go somewhere.